this morning. I don't think I was expecting this. Spilling coffee in the boat, freezing. But we'll get through it and hopefully catch some pike today. At least that's our goal. Right, Sam?
I didn't hear a word you said.
What?
I didn't hear a word you said. Spilled my coffee.
Well, you're ice capped now. Our coffees have turned to ice caps now. Anyways, let's see if we can't get this thing rolling this morning. Oh, Sam's got one on. Oh yeah, already starting up here. Oh yeah, I guess help if we extended it. Were we not expecting to catch fish this morning? All right.
Ready?
Yep. Sam's already hooked into a plate. Not bad. Excellent.
I haven't got anything ready yet.
It's all right.
Got the grippers. Alrighty. Thanks, bro.
Put it on film anyways.
And we'll watch your. Don't lose your fucking. Just barely on. Just took it right on the top of the water.
Oh, there you go. Even better.
Good. Alright. Quick pick.
Okay, here we go. Took me out of not the water, the rocking of the boat. Easy peasy. Quick and easy. Oh. This wind is gonna be the death of me today.
We're not even in it yet.
Oh.
Out there.
Oh. I gotta like wedge my foot here on the side of the boat so I don't fall over. What the hell? Well, that was fun. Taking an ass kicking out here today. Got blindsided by a wave. Knocked me over. So we're gonna head over to the other side. I think way the wind's blowing. It's probably the best course of action because man, it is windy out here today. I think they're calling for like 60k winds, gusts. And right now she's blowing pretty good, and it ain't warming up anytime soon from the way it feels out here right now, even though the sun's pretty high. But we're gonna give her a try on the other side, and hopefully it gets us out of some of this wind, because man, this is something else. Wildwood has turned into wild winds today. So what do you do when you're not fishing? You sing songs.
Sing songs.
And hope you don't sink the boat, Captain. Don't sink the boat, Captain. What are you catching, Sam?
Rock bass.
That's the new Wildwood rock bass. It's a new strain.
How do you catch a rock?
Let's have a look. How'd you catch that?
See that little nick right there?
Yeah.
The hook was right in that little. That's it. Like, how's that happen?
You're incredible. You catch everything, man. I can't compete with you.
Yep, it's like, right there, and I'll pull that fucker right out right now.
Nah, too small. We want the big ones.
Yeah.
He got off. Yeah, I had him on. Oh, he fuck came back. He's back again. Just a little pike, but no, well, probably. It was he got off, and I was like,
I'll hold it.
Oh, okay. There you go. Just below, guy. Back into the water you go. Thanks for coming out. Fish in the boat. Thank you very much. Fish in the boat, man. Fish on. This one's a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, get him over, get him over. That's better.
That's a little bit decent.
That's a good fish. Oh, he's taking it. Every time he fucking chops, it goes farther down. That's a good fish. Put that on your wrist, the strap. Because honest to God, I thought I was good. Did it turn out? We've seen them coming out here, eh?
Yeah, all on the X wrap. Oh, I got a fish on. Now we're getting back into. Look at how black this. Oh, Blackie Balboa. Look at this guy. Boy, are you ever dark. Look at how black you are. All right.
He's gone straight down. He's gone under the boat.
He's under the boat, Captain. Get him up. I think he's a decent size. I can't see him. Can't see him.
He doesn't want to come, man.
Oh, he's on the other side of the boat.
Come back.
Yeah.
Come back. Come back.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, buddy.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh yeah.
Fucking pushed off the net and he was gone.
Fuck. He's on film. I almost had him, man.
As soon as he got his back on the net.
I almost freaking had him. He was just out of my range a little bit. I could now stretch right out, couldn't get him. I think when he was on the other side of the boat. God damn it.
As soon as he got, it was like that muskie. As soon as he got on the net, he just did one of those
and
spit it right out. As soon as they get any leverage at all, they can fucking
fuck.
Damn it.
But you know, those fish are here. You know there's some decent, I mean even bigger ones in here.
It's not bad though. It's not bad. Right, toss him back. Just a little guy. What is that? That's not somebody else's line?
That's what it looks like.
Fuck.
It's going to have to just cut the line.
Yeah. Alright, toss him back. Hopefully he'll survive that.
Yep. I'm freaking hooked in the head.
Not gonna last long.
Thanks, bud. Stop and I'll make the pain go away. Where did my pliers go? Oh, it doesn't matter. There we go. Do your figure eight, Sam. Do the figure eight. You're supposed to do the figure eight. You're failing miserably. What do you got going on here? All right.
Little guy.
Little guy.
Still fun though.
There he goes. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Woo! Get bounced around on the wildwood. Oh!